Hey lovely people, how is everyone doing? I'm great, I hope that you're alright. This will be soon over, okay? So, patience, yeah? Let's go. So, for this week's project, we're making a very simple thing, okay? So, let's get started, yeah? Let's check this out. So, basically, what do we need? We need napkins, yeah, normal napkins. Then felt tips or markers if you don't have felt tips, color felt tips. Something always do everything safely and avoid staining your parents' tablecloth. Okay, so something to protect the table, a plate or a bowl if you don't have a plate. This, a little bit of water. Yeah. So we're ready. This project reminds me of the Thumb Trap. Do you remember the Thumb Trap that we did 2 weeks ago? Because basically what we are going to do is some magic that we really like. We are going to draw two different images together. Yeah, two different images separated into two of the squares, okay, of the napkin, and then as we put it into the water, they are going to blend, and we will see both of them together. Okay, so these are some surprises that I had for you in store, but this is going to be the spoiler. Okay, so this is our first image. What is that? Who recognizes that animal? A seal. There you go, a seal. And seal, they really like to play with, well, at circus at least, with balls. Okay, so basically we're going to a toy ball. We're going to draw it in the opposite square. So be careful because this paper is super thin. Yeah, so as you can see, it hit some holes. Yeah, so just be gentle. Yep. Okay, so for you not to, we have to be precise, right? Drawing the ball on the other square. So I cheated a little bit and I just mark it with a felt tip so I can see it in the other square. Remember, it's going to be the opposite one, yeah? And the direction, it will be up, okay? So it has to be here, our ball, right? If I'm not wrong. So let's draw it. Very fast, very quickly. This paper is not very squared, but not very rounded, but well. As you can see, it's very difficult to work with these napkins, but maybe you can find thicker ones, yeah, with more layers. Uh-oh. Well, maybe not the ball that you will ask Santa Claus, but fair enough. Some yellow, some color. Do you remember the name of this? Felt tips, that's right. Okay, some pink here as well, why not? And some blue. Hold the paper, otherwise it will rip it off. There you go, it happened. It just happened in my face, in front of my eyes. Okay, so this is a spoiler, but basically, as you can see, it's going to be this part there, and he will be playing on the ball will be on the tip of his nose, right? Okay, let's do it. Pour some water on the dish, on the plate or the bowl. Yeah. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. We see one image and then ta-da! The seal has its ball. Good. Oh, look at the ink. Oh, all the ink. Okay, that's not beautiful anymore. Okay, so that's it. I will give some explanations and you will see the result with these other two drawings after we cut this. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it and that you send us your own creations as every week. Okay, so take care and have an amazing, amazing, amazing day. Bye. See you. So here we go again. These are the other two examples that I wanted to show you. What's that? What's that? This is a spider web. Correct. Super sticky to trap all its prey, right? Okay, what do you think? What do you expect to appear on our magic show? Let's see. Who knows? Give it a guess. And then this is what material is that? That is wood, right? Oh, you can see through. Damn it! Maybe if you get thicker napkins, there's no spoiler going on. Okay, wood for what do we use it for? To build, to stack it, and also to burn it, right? In a bonfire. When you go camping. There you go. So before we pour maybe too much water, that's why all the ink spread through the napkin was not good. So just put just a little bit, yeah? Not too much. So have you wondered why this happened? This happens basically because the paper, when it gets wet, it becomes more transparent, right? So you can see through. And then also the ink, if it gets wet, it spreads all over a little bit more through the paper, right, surface. Yeah. So that's it. The quality of the material changes. That's why we can see both images. There we go. So take the napkin and let's put it on this, on the plate. Let's see what appears. Ta-da! A spider, obviously. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Okay, again, I think I put too much ink. Too much ink. That was too much. Okay, so let me pour this out. Too much water. So just a little bit now, not too much. That's it. Even less than before. Just a little bit. Let's take out a little bit more. There you go. Okay, I don't want it to see it partially, but well, and the wood. What is going to show up? What do you think? What is going to be revealed? I think some of you already know. Let's do it. Ta-da! Ba-ba! Oh, the water is not enough. Yeah. So that's fire, bonfire. Well, maybe I used too much black ink, okay, in my creation. That's why it covers it all up. Anyway, okay, so this is today's project. I hope you enjoyed it and that you don't that you clean up afterwards. Okay, see you soon. Bye.